Hi. Mommy is trying to. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun DIY. It was super quick. It only took me like half a day to do, and I really hope you enjoy it. So before you watch it, just go and hit the like and subscribe button so you can see more videos, and I post on Thursdays and Mondays. So enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by just giving this a quick sand with a sanding block and just going all the way around to rough up the surface, and that's really how I'm starting. Alright, it's all sanded and now I'm just gonna clean it off real quick. Just like that. This stuff is kind of all over the place. Now just a quick coat of primer. I'm trying not to sit on the pavement because it's 102 degrees outside, but the color I'm going to be using is Rust-Oleum French Blue. It's really hot outside. Oops, it got on my hand. There's one coat. Water break. The tarp just blew on it. Oh. Hopefully it's mostly dry. Alright, I finished both coats. I'm gonna let it dry. Hopefully it'll dry pretty quickly and the tarp doesn't blow on it. And I'm gonna go upstairs and make some cushions. Okay, I'm back inside. I already cut out pieces of foam for the tops of the stairs. I cut out some extra pieces too. And I also cut out some cardboard from a box. And I'm gonna glue it on, I think, so that it's like this, and then wrap it in this leftover fabric that I have. Let's get to it. Just do it like that. And just place that down. And do it right in the middle. Hopefully that provides enough structure, but we should be good. Okay, so I cut a piece of scrap fabric that would be enough to wrap the entire thing, I think. Now I'm just gonna lay it out, make sure it's nice and smooth. We don't need this bag anymore. That was just so I didn't get glue on the rug. So yeah, I'm just gonna place it foam side down, and I'm gonna use my nail gun, I believe. Hopefully this works. Yep. So I'm just gonna go around. Basically it, just like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna trim some of the excess so it's not in the way. I just covered it up, and that is our first stair. Okay, so the nail gun broke halfway in between the second one. This is the one I did with the nail gun. So I had to use a regular stapler, just like this, but it actually works. So, guess if you're in a pinch, you can use this. Alright, so it's all dry, but I'm going to hit it with a quick clear gloss just to make sure it stays nice and bright and shiny. And then let that dry and put the cushions on. Alright, so here's my plan for the cushions. I'm going to just put my glue all over, place them on, and put something heavy on top, and hopefully they stay. So just like that, gonna finish it up and then place the cushion on top. Okay. There it is, as centered as it's gonna be. And I'm just gonna push it down and put some heavy things on top for now so that it glues as straight down as possible. Alright, so I just put these things on top for now to try and hold it down, put some pressure while the glue dries, and hopefully that'll be good enough and I can bring it in the house. Alright guys, here's the final product. I'm super happy with how it turned out, and I hope you like this video. I will add a clip of hopefully my dog using them, and yep, that's that. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Hey. Mommy is trying to make the camera. Good job. Good job. Yeah, good boy, come on. Yeah, good boy. Yes,